So if you can all clap to this rhythm throughout the whole song. I know you're all probably drunk now, but if you could. So, the clap is like this. Search and search, search for the one, thinking that he's made by God. But sometimes a girl has to get creative, get her needs met in different places, and you mix them all together, see what you get. You might have the makings of your perfect man, yes. Yeah, you mix them all together, see what you get. You might have the makings of your perfect man, yes. And it's true that a girl likes to have a laugh, but she also could get help with her taxes. Well, you mix them all together, see what you get. You might have the makings of your perfect man. You want the man with the devilish looks, but you also could do with a gourmet cook. Well, you mix them all together, see what you get. You might have the makings of your perfect man. Sometimes you need experience, someone older. Sometimes you need to cry in the shoulder, and you mix them all together, see what you get. You might have the makings of your perfect man. And what's the use in having pure romance if you can't have a man who can really dance? Well, you mix them all together, see what you get. You might have the makings of your perfect man. Well, you mix them all together and you see what you get. You might have the makings of your perfect man, yeah. Mix them all together and you see what you get. You might have the makings of your perfect man, yeah. 'Cause you can search and search, search for the one, thinking that it's made by God. Oh, sometimes a girl has to get creative, get her needs met in different places. Mix them all together, see what you get. Mix them all together, see what you get. Mix them all together, see what you get. You might have the makings of your perfect man yet. Thanks a million. Thanks to everyone that was stage side. It was brilliant. Cheers.
Thanks very much.